Welcome to the Salem Witch Hunt Daily Report for June 8th, 2024. I'm Josh Hutchinson.
And I'm Sarah Jack. On June 8th, 1692, William Stoughton, Lieutenant Governor of Massachusetts and Chief Justice of the Court of Oyer and Terminer, signed a warrant for Bridget Bishop's execution, which was to take place on June 10th.
Now we will read the warrant for the execution of Bridget Bishop and the officer's return. To George Corwin, gentleman, High Sheriff of the County of Essex, greetings. Whereas Bridget Bishop, alias Oliver, the wife of Edward Bishop of Salem, in the County of Essex, Oyer, at a special court of Oyer and Terminer held at Salem the second day of this instant month of June, for the counties of Essex, Middlesex, and Suffolk, before William Stoughton, Esquire, and his associate justices of the said court, was indicted and arraigned upon 5 several indictments for using, practicing, and exercising on the 19th day of April last past, and divers other days and times before and after, certain acts of witchcraft in and upon the bodies of Abigail Williams, Ann Putnam Jr., Mercy Lewis, Mary Walcott, and Elizabeth Hubbard of Salem Village, single women, whereby their bodies were hurt, afflicted, pined, consumed, wasted, and tormented, contrary to the form of the statute in that case made and provided, to which indictments the said Bridget Bishop pleaded not guilty, and for trial thereof she put herself upon God and her country, whereupon she was found guilty of the felonies and witchcrafts whereof she stood indicted, and sentence of death accordingly passed against her, as the law directs, execution whereof remains to be done.
These are therefore, in the name of their Majesties, William and Mary, now King and Queen over England, etc., to will and command you that upon Friday next, being the 10th day of this instant month of June, between the hours of 8 and 12 in the afternoon of the same day, you safely conduct the said Bridget Bishop, alias Oliver, from their Majesties' jail in Salem, aforesaid, to the place of execution, and there cause her to be hanged by the neck until she is dead. And of your doings herein make return to the clerk of the said court and precept, and hereof fail not at your peril. And this shall be your sufficient warrant, given under my hand and seal at Boston, the 8th day of June, in the 4th year of the reign of our sovereign Lord and Lady William and Mary, now King and Queen over England, etc., William Stoughton, June 10th, 1692.
And the officer's return. According to the within written precept, I have taken the body of the within named Bridget Bishop of their Majesties' jail in Salem, and safely conveyed her to the place provided for her execution, and caused the said Bridget Bishop to be hanged by the neck until she was dead, and buried in the place, all which was according to the time within required, and so I make return by me, George Corwin, Sheriff.